Ever wondered what the secret is to keeping your car running smoothly for years? The answer might be simpler than you think. It all comes down to regular maintenance. And no, you don't need to be a professional mechanic to do it. With a little bit of time and the right tools, you can take care of your car right at home. First things first, let's talk about oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your car. It keeps all the moving parts in your engine working smoothly. But over time, oil can get dirty and lose its effectiveness. That's where an oil change comes in. Ideally, you should change your oil every 3 to 5,000 miles. To change your oil, you'll need a few things: a new oil filter, new oil, an oil filter wrench, a socket set, an oil pan, and some rags. Start by locating the oil drain plug. Place your oil pan underneath it, then use your socket set to unscrew the plug. Once the oil is drained, screw the plug back in, then remove and replace the oil filter. Finally, pour in the new oil. The second step to maintaining your car is checking and replacing your air filter. A dirty air filter can reduce your car's fuel efficiency and cause your engine to run poorly. To check your air filter, simply remove it from its housing and hold it up to the light. If you can't see light passing through it, it's time for a new filter. Thirdly, you should regularly check your car's tire pressure. Incorrect tire pressure can lead to uneven tire wear and can even affect your car's handling. It's a simple process. All you need is a tire pressure gauge. Check the recommended tire pressure for your car, usually found in your car's manual or on a sticker in the driver's side door jamb, and adjust accordingly. Lastly, don't forget about your car's fluids. This includes your brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. These fluids are crucial to your car's performance and safety. The process for checking these fluids varies, but usually involves locating the respective reservoirs and checking the fluid levels against the marked lines. So to recap, regular car maintenance involves changing your oil, checking and replacing your air filter, maintaining correct tire pressure, and checking your car's fluids. These simple steps can help keep your car running smoothly and may even extend its lifespan. Remember, regular maintenance is not just about saving money on repairs. It's about ensuring your car is safe and reliable. So go ahead, roll up your sleeves and get to know your car a little better. It's well worth the effort.